Good day, business professionals. Today, we are discussing a sensitive but essential topic, the basics of removing a partner from a partnership. While every partnership hopes to run smoothly, conflicts can arise, making it necessary to make some tough decisions. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Firstly, it's crucial to understand that the process of removing a partner varies based on the type of partnership and the terms specified in your partnership agreement. Ideally, the agreement would already spell out the steps required for removal. Now, for a bit of perspective. According to recent surveys, about 20% of businesses face significant internal conflicts annually. A significant number of these conflicts can lead to the discussion of parting ways. If you don't have a partnership agreement or it doesn't address removal, you need to follow these general steps. Step 1. Open communication. Discuss the issues at hand candidly with all partners involved. Sometimes issues can be resolved without the need for removal. Step 2. Consult an attorney. It's essential to understand the legal implications of the removal and ensure all actions are within the bounds of the law. Step 3. Review any buyout provisions. Many agreements include clauses that detail how a departing partner's interests should be valued and paid for by the remaining partners. Step 4. Host a formal vote. Most agreements or laws require a majority, but in some cases, a supermajority may be needed to remove a partner. Step 5. Revise the partnership agreement. Once the decision is finalized, make necessary changes to reflect the new state of the partnership. Step 6. Notify key stakeholders. This includes clients, vendors, creditors, and others who should be informed about the change in partnership. While the process might sound straightforward, emotions can run high. It's a daunting fact that almost 30% of partnership dissolutions lead to legal disputes, emphasizing the importance of handling such situations with care. If your partnership faces such a decision, approach it with clarity, professionalism, and empathy. Remember, it's not only about protecting the business, but also the relationships and the people who've been a part of your journey. If you need more information about how to remove a partner, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps in this video? Is there one that you have questions about? Drop a comment below and let us know. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.